Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson, and we are on step 9 of the Small Business Plan Form 1010C. This is all about the business equipment that you already have or may be getting. Let's check it out. On this next section of our Small Business Plan workshop, we're going to be talking about your resources, your business resources. This is all the tangible assets or pieces of equipment that you have going into your business, things that you're already using to operate with. It doesn't matter if you're a barber, you're going to list your clippers, your trimmers, your chair, your mirror, everything. Same thing with a hairstylist. If you're open up a beauty supply store, list your shelves. If you are doing hair, your dryers, your curling irons, all of those things. Street vendor, truck, if you're a food truck, you want to list that vehicle, the grill, everything, anything that you use that is a tangible asset that you are either owning or leasing, you want to list in this section. This is going to also have the age of the equipment, how much it's worth. These are all tangible assets that have a dollar amount to it. This is going to go to the net worth of your business, and you want to state all of that in this section of your business plan. It is important that you don't skimp, but it's very important that you don't overestimate the value of the products that you're using in your business, so as not to give any false or misleading information of the actual worth of your business. You will be able to, in some cases, show receipts. If you're leasing equipment, that's even better because you will have a paper trail of you paying for those pieces of equipment, especially if you're in some type of delivery business. You can use the amount of money you're paying in insurance, the amount of money you're paying for that monthly lease as proper documentation for what you're doing in your business. It is imperative that you don't mislead any potential investor or your grantor when you go through this section. The equipment section is simple and easy to come up with. Just go through your inventory and see what you got. Also, you want to go ahead and list all your suppliers for the things that you are purchasing on an ongoing basis. All the outside resources that you draw upon to fill your orders or your customer requests. Let's say you're running a fax shop, where you're ordering your paper from. Those kind of things are going to be definitely needed in this section. Describe your quality control processes. Quality control centers around things that require storage in some cases. How good is the product that you're putting out? What safeguards you have in place? Let's say you're storing a bunch of paper. Are you storing it in a wet basement where it can be, damaged, warped? Make sure that you have a procedure and a plan in place that dictates how you're storing this equipment. And then finally, go ahead and describe what your plan is. If you need any skilled labor outside of what you can provide, how are you getting that skilled labor? What type of training that you're going to offer for yourself or for any possible employees to come up to speed, and that training for those skills and services that you plan on offering. These things are very relevant to what you're going to be doing and outlining specifically what you have to offer in your business. Remember, time is money. Not all money is good money. Make sure you're watching how you spend and invest it. I'll talk to you later. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button too.